In this video I want to show you a special place here in Munich, the famous Eisbach River that is located in the English Garden, Englischer Garten. On hot summer days it gets really crowded because you can jump into the Eisbach and the river will take you for about 10 minutes. You can float and then there's a place to get out. In this video I will show you the whole journey because I know that there are many curious people who want to know how it is, how to get off, and I will tell you a bit more. But let's start the video. So as you can see, it gets really crowded on summer days. Many people also go there after work, and there are mainly young people there. And for those who don't know, Germany in summer gets really hot. We had a heat wave here in June and it got up to 40 degrees in some regions of Germany. So here you can see that the water is very strong. So you really have to be a good swimmer if you want to enter the Eisbach, and never go alone because there are already some risks and every year there are some accidents as well. The water is not very deep. You can see the people standing there, but there are parts where you can't touch the ground.
Depois eles continuam para lá, mas dá para ver, a corrente é bem forte.
So at this part, people are refreshing in the water under this little waterfall. But we continue the Eisbach. And here you can see the people floating in the water. The water is really cold as well. Even in summer it doesn't heat up a lot. And after 5 minutes you arrive at this point, the second surface wave. And here you have two options. You can either get out and jump in after the wave again, or you can hold on to a cord, to a string, and wait until there's no surfer anymore, like these guys do here. But the waves are really strong, so I rather recommend to get out of the river and not pass the waves. You can also see the sign here, Baden verboten, Lebensgefahr. It means like swimming prohibited, forbidden, life danger, because officially it's really forbidden. But as you can see, there are a lot of people ignoring this sign. So that's the place where we get off the river. You can see the water is not as strong anymore, and it's also not that deep. And it's really important that you get off here, because behind the bridge that you see back there, it gets really dangerous. So you have to get off the river at this place.
Então eles, acho que tem outro negócio para descer, mas é super importante. Não ultrapassam essa ponte aqui. E eles com o crocodilo inflável.
Now, how do you get back to where you entered? There are two options. You can walk, or there are people taking the tram, like this little street train. I don't know how to call it in English. So you see the people waiting here in swim clothes, and people are actually entering just in swim clothes. It's really funny to watch, and then they go back to the beginning of the river. And that's basically it. Here's also the surface waves, the first one that is very famous, that I also recommend to visit when you are here in Germany, in Munich. And I hope you liked the video. Leave a like and subscribe.